Above, there is a mirror above the sink. In, is Mark still in bed? On, your dinner is on the table. At, she was standing at the top of the stairs. Under, he hid under the bed. Behind, the sun came out from behind the clouds. Below, she usually wears skirts below her knee. Into, I can't get into these pants anymore. They are far too small for me. Onto, the sheep were loaded onto trucks. Between, there is a bench between two trees. Through, we drove through the tunnel. Around, she had a scarf around her neck. Over, the sign over the door said exit. Near, I'd like to sit near a window, please. In front of, her grandfather had planted both trees in front of the house. Next to, we were standing next to each other. Up, if you want Fred, he's up that ladder. Off, he fell off his bike. Far, she doesn't live far from here. Among, I saw a few familiar faces among the crowd. Down, water dripped down the wall. Past, she walked right past me without noticing me. Across, they're building a new bridge across the river. Away, she threw the ball away. Toward, the ball is running toward the matador.